Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are Apps Impact Academy and we love to create mini but very informative and useful courses for Ruby on Rails developers, students who are willing to learn Ruby on Rails, and people who are looking to make career as a ROR developer. We will design very helpful courses to understand the basic Ruby on Rails concept, advanced Ruby on Rails concept, and so on. Here we came up with our first mini course that's about implementing CRUD operation using Ajax in Ruby on Rails. My name is Ravi Kashyap and I'm a Rails developer and lead instructor at Apps Impact Academy. In this series, I will demonstrate CRUD with Ajax and Rails 6 and how you can implement that. Although there are various JavaScript front-end frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, and others are also available nowadays, but the CRUD implementation using Ajax is still a good way to understand the working of JavaScript with Rails. So now I'm going to display what will be the content, what will be the outline of the series we will going to cover. This course content has been divided into six equal parts. Every part has some tasks that we need to perform. The first part has two tasks, that is set up new Rails application and create a custom controller with custom landing page. In the next part, part 2, we will add Bootstrap 5, jQuery and Popper.js using as a YAR packages. Since we are using Rails 6, so we will use Webpacker to serve assets. Then in the part 2, as a next step, we will add header and footer using Bootstrap styles, and then as a last item in this part, we will add bootstrap styles to our home page to make it more attractive. In the third part, we will actually dive into our Rails part, that is we will create our first resource using scaffolding. We will not create that manually. I will explain why I am using scaffolding here, and then we will add validation to the model, user model that we will create here, and then we will use faker gem to populate our database using seed data. And with this you can also get an idea that how you can use ruby gems into your applications. In part 4, we will add bootstrap components to make user views better. Like we will add bootstrap to index page of user, form to user form, and then show page of user, and so on. In the next part, that is part 5, we will actually start implementing Ajax. We will make Ajax for creating a resource, reading a resource, updating a resource, and deleting a resource. And then we will handle error display on the user's form using Ajax. Then you can apply it on any resource in the similar way. In the last part, part 6, we will clean up unused file and wrap up the things related to that is course. And after going through this mini series, you would be able to implement CRUD operations using Ajax. Let's dive into first part of the series where we will set up a new Rails app and create a landing page for the app.